Hi guys, welcome back to Nikita's Creativity Vlogs. In this video, I am going to show you how to make beautiful flower vase of drainage pipe from ceramic clay at low cost. For this we need drainage pipe ceramic powder. You can use any brand ceramic powder and you can get this in any hardware store. White glue or PVC glue and some water. Now make smooth paste of ceramic. Add ceramic powder and white glue in 3:2 proportion and add water into it as required and mix it properly without any lumps for make it smooth. If you think mixture is loose, you can add some ceramic powder or white glue and water if the mixture is dry. Now make thick paste by mixing share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon for notification of more creative videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.